Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change ink cartridges in HP OfficeJet Pro 9730. Okay, if you have the same printer, you might find there is okay, most of these OfficeJet printers are the same, because you can see this and this, they are different, but it's the same procedure. So what you do, you come on the left here, on the right is this, you open it. The minute you do that, the ink cartridges comes in front of you, they slide and come here, you can see. So what you do, you just press inside. You do what? Press inside, like you press. Let me turn the printer so that I can see. No, it's fine. Okay, you press this. Once you press it, you take it out, right? One, you press this, take it out. Two, you press this, take it out. Three, you press this, take it out. Four, right? It uses 4 cartridges. So then you get your new ones. Once you get a new ones, then you just put them in like this. And remember, the HP logo should be on the top, right? The HP logo should be on the top. So you get the second cartridge. You know they go by colors. You check on, like, this is yellow, right? So also yellow is the second to black. Also down here you can see yellow. Why yellow? So make sure the HP logo is on the facing at the it's on the top. So okay, you push it in, you press. We'll go for magenta. Magenta is the one looks like reddish. Okay, then you go for the last one called cyan. Okay, you press in. After that, you close, right? When you close, the printer will know. Then it's saying checking the printer, please wait. Okay, this is super fine, right? So if that is like that, so you're done with changing the ink cartridges. So as long as you have an OfficeJet, most OfficeJet are the same. Even this one you can see it's here, but also you do the same here. You see, they have almost similar cartridges. You understand? You just press them, then they go out, something like that. Okay, close. Yeah, simple, done. Then you can start copying and all that. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.